How to order in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can order in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to order in Amazon, go and open the Amazon application and select the products that you want to buy and add them to your cart. So let's just say you want to buy any sort of items here. Select that item, and once you select a particular item, select a variety and just add them to your cart. Once you add them to your cart, you can tap the cart icon from the bottom right to review what kind of products you've added to the cart. So once again, just try to review the quantity and everything else that you've actually checked in this case. And now you can also select the product model that you've added. Now just tap the proceed to checkout option, and once you tap on proceed to checkout option, here you should be able to select your ID and document for clearance, but of course I'm just going to skip that for now. Now once I go ahead and do that, what you want to do from here onwards is you have to actually make sure to select a way to ship these items. So you can change this item and you can change the address and tap on the continue option, and as you do that, you should be able to enter your payment details and finish the order process. This way you'll be able to order on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.